Hello and welcome everyone. The chapter that we're starting today is constitutional design. In this chapter we will see what constitution is and when was constitution formed, when was constitution enacted, and when was the constitution enforced, and all these things. And after that we will learn about what is the need of constitution for our country, and who has made constitution, what is constitution. Then we will discuss what is constitution assembly. All these things will be discussed in this video. So let us start first by constitution. So what is constitution? A set of rules and laws according to which a country is governed. So basically rules are important for anything. Okay, rules and laws are important for any kind of situation or any kind of thing. So constitution, there are, when our country became a democracy, there were certain rules, certain laws that has to be followed. Okay, so those rules and laws that we have to and everybody has to follow is constitution. So basically constitution is nothing, we can say that constitution is nothing but a set of rules, a set of laws that are there for the state to follow. Now what is a state? A state doesn't mean Chhattisgarh or Punjab or Haryana or Madhya Pradesh. A state is not a state. If we say state here, we basically mean a country. Okay, so wherever and whenever I say state, what I mean is a country. Alright, so constitution is a set of rules that are made to be followed by the state or a country. Okay, so when was Indian constitution made, enacted and enforced? So basically constitution was made by Constituent Assembly, means there were certain people who made the constitution, and those people were basically a group of people had formed a committee, and that committee has made these laws, the rules that are in the constitution, and that law is made by the committee member, and that committee is called Constituent Assembly. Okay, so what has Constituent Assembly done? Constituent Assembly has made the rules, and the laws that are called constitution, and these rules and laws has to be followed by everyone, means they have to be followed by people like us, they have to be followed by rich people, they have to be followed by poor people, and they have to be followed by government too. Means no one can shy away from constitution, no one is exempt from these rules. Okay, everyone has to follow these rules. So that is constitution, and the rules that has made by a certain body, that body that body is called Constituent Assembly. Okay, there were so many leaders in Constituent Assembly, leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, then our first Prime Minister Rajendra Prasad. So these were the legend leader were there in Constituent Assembly, and they have made the rules for the state for everyone to follow. Okay, now when was the constitution made? Okay, the constitution was enacted on 26th November 1949. It was the date when the constitution was adopted and enacted, 26th November 1949, and enforced, means they enforced the constitution on 26th January 1950. So that is the reason, that's why, because constitution was enforced on 26th January in 1950, that is the reason we celebrate Republic Day every year on 26th January. Is that clear? Okay. So this is all for this video. We will discuss more about constitution. We will discuss what are the main rules of constitution. We will discuss all kind of thing in next video. Okay, goodbye till the next video, and thank you all for joining me. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you.